This is like, you can write it as d square plus 4. Okay, so m square plus here 4 is equal to 0. M square is equal to minus 4 implies m is equal to plus or minus 2i. Okay, root 4 is 2 plus or minus 2i. So therefore, what will be complementary function? Yc or y?
C1 cos 2x.
C1, okay, cos 2x
Plus C2 sin 2x.
plus C2 sin 2x. Okay, so now what will be y1? It is cos 2x. Similarly, what will be y2? Sin 2x. Okay, implies y1 dash is equal to minus 2 sin 2x. Correct. Similarly, y2 dash is equal to 2 cos 2x. So if you find Wronskian, y1 y2 dash minus y1 dash y2. Okay, so implies Wronskian is equal to how much? 2 cos square 2x minus of minus plus 2 sin square 2x. So Wronskian will be 2 into cos square 2x plus sin square 2x. So W is equal to 2. Fine. So therefore, a dash of x is equal to how much? Minus y2 phi of x divided by Wronskian. B dash of x is equal to y1 phi of x divided by Wronskian. Okay, so implies what happens? A dash of x, substitute it, y2, so minus sin 2x into 4 secant square 2x. So this is phi of x, right? So divided by Wronskian is 2. Similarly, b dash of x is equal to cos 2x into 2 secant square x divided by 2. Sorry, here 4. So 2 ones, 2 twos, here also 2 ones, 2 twos. So a dash of x is equal to how much? Minus 2. Okay, I can write 1 cos theta as like this. 1 secant theta as 1 by cos 2x, right? Into secant 2 theta or 2x. Okay, I have taken 1 secant theta outside. Secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos. So secant 2x can also be written as 1 by cos 2x. Similarly, b dash of x is equal to 1 secant theta you can cancel. You will get secant theta or secant 2x. 2 secant 2x you will get. Okay, so a dash of x is equal to minus 2 sin by cos, it is tan 2x. Similarly, secant 2x. Similarly, b dash of x is equal to 2 secant 2x. Now we know the integration for all these terms. So we can write a of x is equal to minus 2 integral tan 2x into secant 2x dx. Similarly, b of x is equal to 2 into integral secant 2x dx. Fine. Now a of x is equal to, what is integration of tan x into secant x?
Secant x.
So secant 2x divided by 2. Okay, plus k1 you can write. Similarly, b of x is equal to 2 into integration of secant. This is log of secant 2x plus tan 2x divided by 2. Okay, so these two and these two get cancelled, and here also 2 to get cancelled, plus k2 you have to write. So finally, a of x is equal to minus secant 2x plus k1. B of x must be log of secant 2x plus tan 2x plus k2. Therefore, general solution is y is equal to a of x into y1 plus b of x into y2. Okay, so which is nothing but y is equal to a of x. A of x is minus secant 2x into y1. Y1 is cos 2x plus b of x log secant 2x plus tan 2x into here sin 2x. So y is equal to how much? First get cancelled, minus 1 plus sin 2x into log of secant 2x plus tan 2x.
Sir, K1 and K2.
K1 and K2 you can write here it as plus K1 cos 2x plus K2 sin 2x. That's it. Here also you can write it as K1 cos 2x plus K2 sin 2x. So in this way you'll get the answer. Fine. Let's go through it once. We'll go for next one. Okay, we'll go for next one. So from here onwards, the pattern will change. Okay, same method of variation of parameters, but here the integration you may get a bit difficult from now onwards. Okay, we'll solve as many problems as possible based on different varieties of integrations. Okay.
Sir, I see. Advita sir. C type. T type.
D square plus y, sorry, d square plus 1 into y is equal to 1 by 1 plus sin x. Okay. So now easily we can find complementary solution, that means m square plus 1 is equal to 0 implies m square is equal to minus 1 implies m is equal to plus or minus root minus 1, it is I. Okay, so yc is equal to how much, or y is equal to how much?
Then cos x plus c2 sin x.
C1 cos x plus C2 sin x. Okay, so now what happens? Y1 is equal to cos x. Similarly, y2 is equal to sin x. So now y1 dash is equal to minus sin x. Similarly, y2 is equal to cos x. So therefore, Wronskian is equal to cos square x plus sin square x. So if you do cross product like this, we'll get this much. So W is equal to 1. So Wronskian is 1. A dash of x. I think this integration is also easy. From next problem onwards, it may get difficult. So we'll fastly finish it. So minus y2 phi of x divided by Wronskian. Similarly, b dash of x is equal to y1 phi of x divided by Wronskian. Okay, so a dash of x is equal to minus y2. y2 is sin x into 1 by 1 plus sin x divided by Wronskian is 1. Similarly, b dash of x is equal to y1 cos x into 1 by 1 plus sin x divided by 1. Okay. So a dash of x is equal to minus sin x by 1 plus sin x. Similarly, b dash of x is equal to cos x by 1 plus sin x. Yeah. Now, how will you solve this? We need to apply integration for this. Any idea? A dash of x is equal to minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin x into, you can multiply with conjugate of denominator. Okay. So 1 minus sin x I am multiplying and dividing. Because directly we can't do the integration here. So we have to undergo some process and we have to get the answer. So here also b dash of x is equal to cos x by 1 plus sin x. So here you can make use of this formula. What is it? Integration of f dash of x by f of x dx. This is nothing but log of f of x. Okay. So you can make use of this. If you take f of x is 1 plus sin x, differentiation of 1 plus sin x. Yes. Differentiation
Cos
of
6.
Cos x, right?
Cos x.
Cos. So b of x will be is equal to log of 1 plus sin x plus k2 I will write integrating constant. Now to find out a dash of x, we will find a dash of x is equal to multiply it inside. So we'll get minus sin x minus of minus plus sin square x divided by a plus b into a minus b. This can be written as 1 square minus sin square x. Okay. So a dash of x is equal to, this can be written as minus sin x divided by 1 minus sin square x is how much?
Cos square x.
Cos square x plus sin square x by cos square x. Okay. So now we can apply integration for a. So a of x is equal to integral of minus sin by cos square x is there. So one cos you can take at one side. So you can write like this, sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x dx. Okay. Plus integral tan square x dx. So a of x is equal to minus integral sin by cos. It is tan x into 1 by cos. It is secant x dx plus integral, this can be written as secant square x minus 1 dx, because secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1 implies, if you take this tan square that side, This will be secant square x minus 1. Okay. So therefore, a of x will be this much minus tan into secant, it is secant plus integration of secant square x. So this is tan x minus x. Okay, so this much we got for a of x plus k1 you can write. Okay, so therefore general solution is y is equal to a of x into y1 plus b of x into y2. So therefore y is equal to a of x. A of x is how much? Minus secant x plus tan x minus x plus k1 into cos x plus log of 1 plus sin x plus k2 into sin x. So finally you can write the answer as k1 cos x plus k2 sin x plus minus secant x into cos x plus tan x into cos x minus x cos x plus sin x into log of 1 plus sin x. Now y is equal to k1 cos x plus k2 sin x minus secant into cos, it is minus 1, okay, minus x cos x, tan x into cos x is how much? Plus sin x, okay, plus sin x into log of 1 plus sin x. So this is the final solution. Let's check it once. Getting?
Yes, sir.
If we are having this one. So this is a previous year question paper. That means previous year question. So this is nothing but d square minus 2d plus 2y. That means 2 into y is equal to e power x tan x. Okay. So implies m square minus 2m plus 2 equal to 0 implies m is equal to 2 plus or minus root of 4 minus AC. It is 8 divided by 2 will get. So m is equal to 2 plus or minus root minus 4 divided by 2. So implies m is equal to 2 plus or minus 2i divided by 2. If you take 2 common and cancel, 1 plus or minus I. Okay. So therefore y is equal to how much?
E power x
E power x
c1 cos x plus c2 sin x.
c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Okay. So now y is equal to, we have to multiply this inside and we have to write it. Okay. So e power x cos x. Similarly, plus c2 e power x sin x. Now this time y1 will be e power x cos x, y2 is equal to e power x sin x. So take it as equation 1. Okay. Now find out y1 dash. You have to apply product rule this time. So minus e power x sin x plus e power x cos x. Similarly, y2 is equal to, if you apply product rule, e power x cos x plus e power x sin x. Okay. So y2 dash Wronskian w is equal to y1 y2 dash minus y1 dash y2. So Wronskian is equal to e power x cos x into this e power x cos x plus e power x sin x. Okay, next minus e power x sin x into minus e power x sin x plus e power x cos x. So w is equal to e power 2x will get, because e power x into e power x whole square. So e power 2x into cos square x plus e power x cos x into sin x minus of minus will get plus e power 2x. Sorry, here also will get e power 2x. Sin square x plus e power x cos x sin x. So therefore W is equal to how much? Sorry, here minus a bit. So these two terms get cancelled. So e power 2x if you take common, cos square x plus cos sine square x. So it is 1 implies W equal to e power 2x. Fine. So therefore a dash of x is equal to minus y2 phi of x divided by Wronskian. Similarly, b dash of x is equal to y1 phi of x divided by Wronskian. A dash of x is equal to minus y2. y2 is e power x sin x into phi of x e power x tan x divided by e power 2x. Wronskian is this much. Similarly, b dash of x e power x cos x into e power x tan x divided by Wronskian e power 2x. Okay, so a dash of x is equal to, these two get cancelled, correct? So minus sin x into tan x. This can be written as sin square x divided by cos x. Shall I? Sin x into sin x by cos x. Sin x whole square. So I can write it as sin square x by cos x. Similarly, b dash of x. So e power x get cancelled. Cos x into tan x will be how much?
Sin x.
Sin x.
So I'll get sin x. So now a of x will be equal to minus integral sin square x divided by cos x dx. Similarly, b of x is equal to integral sin x. A of x. Yes, any idea how to do? Yes.
One minus cos square x.
Yes, you can write it as 1 minus cos square x divided by cos x dx. Similarly, b of x is equal to integration of sine
Minus cos x.
here plus k2 I can write. A of x is equal to minus of, you can write this as integral 1 by cos x minus here cos square x by cos x. It is cos x dx. Okay, so implies a of x is equal to, if you multiply with minus, so I'll get cos x minus secant x. 1 by cos is secant dx. Now integration of cos x is sin x minus integration of secant x. This is log of secant x plus tan x. So plus k1 you can write. Integrating constant plus k1. So therefore, general solution. Y is equal to a of x into y1 plus b of x into y2. So therefore, y is equal to a of x sin x minus log of secant x plus tan x plus k1 into e power x cos x plus minus cos x plus k2 into e power x sin x. So therefore, y is equal to how much? E power x cos x sin x. Next to minus e power x cos x log of secant x plus tan x. Okay, plus k1 e power x cos x plus minus e power x cos x sin x plus k2 e power x sin x. So I think this one and this one get cancelled. Y is equal to how much? K1 e power x cos x plus k2 e power x sin x okay plus here how much? Minus e power x into cos x log of secant x plus tan x. So this will be our final solution. Got it? Let's go through
Yes,
it.
sir.
Let's try once. Check once. Do you have any next class? Yes? Next class is there? Anyone is taking? If not, I'll solve one more problem and stop the class. Yes?
Yes, sir.
What is that yes, sir? Whether I have to continue or anyone is taking
No,
the
sir.
class?
No, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
What is that yes and no? Tell me properly whether class is there or not.
No, sir.
No class, no, okay. One more problem we'll do because last class we lost the class right yesterday. One problem, that's it. So here we have two problems by MVP. Solve. First one. This one you take as homework. Second one I will do. Okay. So d square y by dx square minus 2 into dy by dx plus y is equal to e power x by x. So this one you take it as homework. I'll do with this. Y double dash minus 2y dash plus y, okay, is equal to, we have e power x log x. Okay. Solution. This is nothing but d square minus 2d plus 1 into y is equal to e power x log x. Okay. Now m square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0 implies this is nothing but m minus 1 whole square equal to 0 implies m1 equal to m2 is equal to plus 1. Correct. Implies what will be y? C1 plus C2x into e power x. Correct. So therefore y is equal to C1 e power x plus C2 x e power x. Okay. So implies y1 is equal to e power x, y2 is equal to x e power x. Implies y1 dash is equal to how much? E power x only. Similarly, y2 dash is equal to x e power x plus e power x. Apply product rule here, you'll get this much. So what will be Wronskian? W is equal to y1 y2 dash minus y1 dash y2. So y1 y2 dash, y1 is e power x into y2 dash, y2 dash is x e power x plus e power x minus y1 dash, y1 dash is e power x only into x e power x. So w is equal to x e power 2x plus e power 2x minus x e power 2x. So these two get cancelled. Wronskian is equal to e power 2x. Fine. Now a dash of x is equal to minus y2 phi of x divided by Wronskian. Similarly, b dash of x is equal to y1 phi of x divided by Wronskian. So a dash of x is equal to minus y2. y2 is x e power x into e power x by x divided by Wronskian is e power 2x. b dash of x is equal to y1 e power x into e power x by x divided by e power 2x. Okay, so a dash of x is, sorry, this is for first one, right? We are doing for this. Okay, so e power x log x is there. Here also e power x log x. We are doing second one, no? So a dash of x is equal to e power 2x, e power x into e power x, e power 2x and e power x into e power x minus x log x is there. b dash of x is equal to log x. Now we need to apply integration for this. Wait a minute. Okay. So here, now if you integrate on both sides, a of x is equal to minus integral x log x dx. Similarly, b of x is equal to integral log x dx. Okay, any idea how to do? So what will be product rule here? Integral uv dx. Yes, integration of u into v. So u integral v dx minus integral u dash integral v dx whole dx. Okay, so therefore you can apply this here, but if you want to apply this, you need to follow isolate order. Okay, so isolate means inverse, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric, and exponential. So here if you observe a of x, what is it actually? First algebraic is there, then logarithmic is there. So for that sake, what we need to do? Integral log x into x dx. Okay, now apply UV rule here. Minus log x into integration of x, it is x square by 2 minus integral of, this minus is for whole, integral of differentiation of log x, it is 1 by x into x square by 2 dx. So x get cancelled. So this one is equal to minus x square by 2 minus 1 by 2. So one more x will be there. Integration of x is x square by 2. Okay. So therefore, here log x into is there. Log x into x square by 2 minus x square by 4. So this will be minus x square by 2 log x minus x square divided by 4. So therefore a of x is equal to, if you take LCM, minus 2x square log x minus x square divided by 4. Okay, now we need to do b of x. B of x also we have to do in the same way. Integration of log x we don't have directly. So integral of log x into 1 you have to write dx. Okay, so apply the same formula. This one is equal to log x, integration of 1 dx is x minus integral differentiation of x is 1 by x into x dx. So x get cancelled. So what will be the answer? X log x minus integration of 1 dx, it is x. Here plus k2 you will write. Here plus k1 I will write. Okay, so make a note of this formula. So therefore general solution. Okay, y is equal to a of x into y1 plus b of x into y2. Y is equal to a of x. A of x is minus 2x square log x minus x square divided by 4 plus k1 into y1. Y1 is e power x. Yes, y1 is e power x plus x log x minus x plus k2 into x e power x. X into e power x. So y is equal to, you can write it as k1 e power x plus k2 e power x, x e power x. You can write. Next minus first term, if you multiply, what happens? If you take e power x divided by 4 common, what happens? Instead that you can take first we'll multiply. Let us see what happens. Minus 2 x square e power x log x divided by 4 minus x square e power x divided by 4. Okay. Next plus x square e power x log x divided by, sorry, only this much is there, minus x square e power x. Okay. So y is equal to k1 e power x plus k2 x e power x minus, if you take x square e power x divided by 4 common, what happens? Here 2 by 4 minus 2 by 4 is there. Here 1 is there. So 2 by 4 minus 2 by 4 plus 1. What is the value? Two by 4, right? So that's why you'll get 2 log x. You'll get. Okay. Similarly, here x square e power x by 4 is there. So minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4. Here this minus of minus will get plus here. I think this minus is there, right? Here plus will get. This is plus. This is plus. So I think this is plus. Okay. So plus 1 by 4 minus 1. So will be how much? Minus 3 by 4, right? So by 4 already I have written. Minus 3 you can write. Okay. So this is the final answer.